Hi guys, I've been a big fan of Tomcat mousetraps for a long time. They are extremely easy to use versus the old wire type traps. Once in a while, you may get one that's just hard to set. So I have another one here that I've mounted to a piece of wood. And by the way, this is a good idea to keep the larger mice from maybe dragging this trap somewhere where you can't get to it. But anyway, if you look at this, I can move the trigger up and down so it's no longer touching the back part of the casing. So it's not the trigger involved here, it's just the black casing itself that's keeping it triggered. I have noticed that part of the casing on the back keeps it from opening further, right here. I'm going to try to file that down and see if that maybe does the trick. So I took a metal file that I have. You could use a smaller file, sandpaper, whatever you have. It's just plastic. And I managed to take that piece down flush with the rest of the casing so the trap will open further. Let's see what happens. And it's staying open. Stays open. It's staying open. That might be all we need to do to save our trap, make it last a little bit longer. For the trap I had mounted to the board, I found that I only needed to trim the part maybe 20%. So as you file down your trap, try it once in a while until you hit the sweet spot. Working well. But wait, there's more. Yes, I have one more Tomcat mousetrap, brand new out of the package. It will not set. Going straight to the fix, we want to adjust the height of this protrusion a little bit shorter to make the mousetrap stay open when you set it. Here we go. Let's see how quickly we can fix this. We're down about 15%. Nope, not yet. Down about maybe 50. Not yet. We're about, I don't know, 80, 90%. It seems to be staying now. A great trap, really is. They're very easy to deal with. Very much worth your time to save them. Thanks for watching.